Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to send Solana from Robinhood to Uphold in 2025. If you're looking to move your crypto assets around for better management or investment opportunities, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and hassle-free. Solana is one of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies, and transferring it between platforms like Robinhood and Uphold can help you diversify your portfolio. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both a Robinhood account and an Uphold account set up, and that you've verified your identity on both platforms for smooth transactions. Start by opening the Robinhood app or website and logging into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your portfolio and find your Solana holdings. It's usually under the Crypto section. Tap or click on it to select the amount you want to transfer. Next, look for the Transfer or Withdraw option. This might be a button or a menu item depending on the app version. When you select it, you'll be prompted to choose the destination. Enter your Uphold wallet address. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Uphold will provide you with a specific Solana address in your account settings, so have that ready. Now, specify the amount of Solana you want to send. Robinhood might show you estimated fees, so keep an eye on those to understand the total cost. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll likely need to use two-factor authentication for security, always a good practice in the crypto world. After you initiate the transfer, sit tight. Solana transactions are known for being fast, but it could take a few minutes to a couple of hours depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head over to your Uphold app or website to confirm that the Solana has arrived in your wallet. And there you have it. That's how you send Solana from Robinhood to Uphold in 2025. Remember, always stay safe by using secure connections and verifying addresses twice. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.